In this video, I show you how to fix Twitter permission problem, or it looks like you have turned off permission required for this feature. Videos and image permission can be enabled under settings, apps and permission problem. For solving this, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for X. Now click on X. Now click on force stop and click on OK. Now click on permission, allow all permission, especially photos and videos permission. Tap on allow. Now open X. Now tap on plus icon. Now click on photos.